Once you set the appointment with the headshot photographer, it's time to prepare for your photo session. Number one tip, please get excited. Don't be nervous. Your goal is to make the camera love you. So really, just be your authentic self. Here are 7 best tips to prepare for your photo session. Number 1, before the photo shoot session, practice poses and your facial movements in the mirror every day. I know, can you see I'm having fun? Look into what a great headshot looks like and the different poses you can practice with. That will help you get comfortable in your skin and with the camera. Sometimes we feel goofy posing, but the photos actually turn out really amazing. So give it a try and have fun with it. This is practice, so where else are you supposed to have fun if it's not with practice, right? Number 2, get your facial hair, nails, and teeth done a few days before the session. If you're plucking your hair on your face, it might leave some red marks, so do that a few days ahead of time. For the nails, definitely keep them clean. Ladies, this goes out to you as well. Use neutral skin tone polish or clear coat. You don't want anything to like pop up, again, you don't want anything competing with you. For teeth, avoid anything that may stain your teeth the day before. Photographers, they can probably fix all of this stuff in the post-production as well, so don't stress too much about it, but I just want to bring it to your attention. Number 3, the day before your session, make sure to please get your rest, hydrate, and do not drink alcohol. Camera is actually very sensitive and it will pick up on the bags under your eyes if you aren't well rested, so if you drank the night before, don't. Don't be wild. You want to be wild? Do that after the photo session, okay? That's a perfect time to celebrate. All right, number 4, think about what you're going to wear. You'll want to bring a few clothing options. If you're doing 3 looks, right? You've talked about this with your photographer, you're doing 3 looks, bring at least 5 different looks. 2 will be your backup. Avoid wearing any distracting and busy clothing with patterns or logos. The headshot's about you. The clothes are there to complement your look, not compete or steal attention. So keep that in mind. Look at what I'm wearing, right? It's all white. I'm not trying to compete. This is what I'm trying to stay focused on, right? So that's what you're trying to do the same with the camera and the headshot. All right, this goes to number 5. Keep it simple. If you won't have a hair or makeup person on set, then keep your makeup and hair as simple and natural as possible. The point is to capture the essence of you, the real you. Okay? Number 6, to help have a great turnout, bring some samples of what you'd like replicated for your session. In the branding exercise, we'll work on identifying how others see you, so bring those findings with you as well once you do that homework, and then share those findings with your photographer. What do I mean by that? If people perceive you as a girl next door, then let your photographer know that too, so then they can capture that look for you. If they see you as a lawyer, dress like one and let the photographer know it so that they can capture that as well. If you want to play a villain, let your photographer know so then they can capture that look as well. All right? Point is, communicate and tell them exactly what you want. Number 7, show up early. If this is your first photo session, remain calm. You give yourself extra time to arrive early. Don't overthink anything when you get there. Just breathe. You got this, and make sure to have fun. You are on your journey to following your dreams.